Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Notepad++ as a beginner. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. To create a new file, go to File and select New. Now you can type any text in the editor. Next, save your file by going to File, then Save As. Choose a location, enter a file name and click Save. You can also open an existing file. Go to File, select Open, choose your file and click Open. Notepad++ supports many programming languages. To select a language, click the language menu at the top, then choose the language you need. You can also make text easier to read with word wrap. Go to the View menu and enable word wrap. To find a specific word, go to Search and select Find. Enter the word you want to search for. You can also use Replace to change one word into another. Notepad++ allows you to work with multiple files using tabs. Simply open another file, and it will appear in a new tab. Finally, remember to save your work by pressing Ctrl+S. That's the basic way to use Notepad++ as a beginner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials.